Have you ever heard of the rolling calf, one of the most feared creatures in Jamaican folklore? This monstrous beast is said to roam the countryside at night, looking for unsuspecting victims to terrorize. The rolling calf is described as a huge, calf-like animal with fiery red eyes and a long, clanking chain around its neck. It can also shapeshift into other forms, such as a dog, a horse, or a human. Some say it is the restless spirit of a wicked person, especially a butcher, who died and was not buried properly. Others say it is a demon sent by an evil Obeah man to harm his enemies. The rolling calf is not easy to escape from, as it can run faster than any human or animal. However, there are some tricks that might help you survive an encounter with this dreadful creature. One of them is to carry something that the rolling calf can count, such as grains of rice, salt, or sand. If you throw these on the ground, the rolling calf will be compelled to stop and count them, giving you time to run away. Another trick is to run to a crossroads, as the rolling calf cannot cross them. You can also try sticking an open penknife in the ground, as this will scare the rolling calf away. Finally, some people believe that a tarred whip held in the left hand can be used to beat the rolling calf into submission. The rolling calf is one of the most creepy and fascinating Jamaican urban legends that has been passed down for generations. It reflects the rich and diverse cultural heritage of Jamaica, as well as the fears and beliefs of its people. If you ever visit Jamaica, be careful when you walk at night, and don't forget to bring some rice or salt with you. You never know when you might meet the rolling calf.